Hi there, students. I had a question from Slow Sunset Vibes asking me to explain the word to devise. Devise. Notice the noun, a device. Okay, so to devise means to use your brains to plan or design something. So we need to devise a machine to resolve this problem. I need to devise a way to get my son to eat his vegetables. Okay, so to devise, to work out a plan, to devise a plan, to devise a scheme, to devise a machine, to devise a system. Yeah? I have to devise a plan to help him. Yeah, we must devise how we are going to do this. People are always devising how they're going to make money. Normally, this involves a complex procedure, a complex plan, a complex mechanism, and you put careful thought into it. Yeah, so to conceive of something, to think up an idea, to come up with an idea, to dream up, to draw up a plan. Okay, so devise. Notice as well, devise can also be a noun in law, meaning a clause leaving something to someone in a will, but that's very technical. Okay, so to devise, to contrive, to plan, to elaborate, prepare a plan. Yeah, I need to devise a way to get some money. Yeah, okay. A device. Well, a device, either a crafty scheme or gadget to do something. Yeah. A machine to do it. It's something that's clever. Okay, so to devise, to arrange things in your mind so that you can do something, to design it. Yeah, he devised a new system to handle all of the queries. Okay, so this is the idea of to devise. As to formality, I think I would give devise a 5 in formality, use it anywhere. It's a regular verb, he devised a plan. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from diviso, which itself comes from divido in Latin, meaning dis, two, and vido, to separate. So you separate it into two. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Devise.